Have you thought of becoming a speaker, coach, or consultant before? Do you have an expertise or knowledge that people are willing to pay you money in order to learn from you? My name is Alaric Ong, and I'm so excited to share about this course together with you. So, if you want to do what you love, do what you're good at, help others, and make money all at the same time, then being a speaker, coach, or consultant will be the perfect career for you. So in this course, I'm gonna show you number one, how to do one-on-one consultations, number two, how to get clients, number three, how to do one-on-one coaching, and number four, how to do seminars and previews and pitch your idea, your course, your program to people, right? So why I started this course was because someone messaged me on Facebook saying that he wants to learn how to be a speaker. So I said, okay, sure, I'll teach you how to be a speaker. I'll teach you for 3 hours for $500. And what I did was I recorded all the videos and I put it all together into one course, which is the course that you'll be watching right now. So I'm gonna offer this course on Udemy for $159.99. And now is the time to go and get this course because the value you get is going to be way more than $159.99, because so long as you get just one client, you make all your money back, right? For me, all my clients, I charge them at least $250 per hour, and I also charge like $2,000 for 2 day seminar. So long as you do one seminar, or if you just do or you just get one coaching client that pays you one-to-one, right? You're gonna make all this money back. On top of that, you're gonna do what you love. You're gonna do what you're good at. You're gonna do what you enjoy doing. At the same time helping others. And I'm so excited to see you at the course, and click the button to buy the course right now. So before we begin, here's a little bit about me so that you have a bit of context about who I am. So if you search Alaric Ong on Google, Alaric Ong, ALARIC space ONG, you'll see all the information about me. You can see my LinkedIn profile, the videos I've come up with, you see my Udemy courses, my Facebook page with 13,000 followers, you see the images, my Facebook, my book. I've written 3 books. You'll see my Eventbrite, etc. Okay, now so just go ahead and click the first link called alaricong.com, and then you'll see a little bit about who I am right here. Now, so I'm an entrepreneur, speaker, and lifelong learner. So my first business was a healthy food delivery business called Bullet Express, where I seal a deal with DBS Bank. I seal a deal with a whole bank where they sent emails to 10,300 of their staff to advertise for a healthy food delivery business because they wanted their staff to eat healthy. Yeah. The second business I did, right, was an entrepreneurship platform where I built a team of 140 people in 10 months. So I sold everything from tailor-made shirts to cordyceps, personal development courses, health products, meats, and even electricity. My third business, right, is a sales and marketing agency where I help business find ways to increase their sales. So clients are from a range of industries like hotels, wellness, beauty, financial products, network marketing, and others. Um, I get clients in Singapore. My business partners in Belgium, while my team is in the Philippines. Yeah. My fourth business is a 6-figure e-commerce business called blushboss.com, selling cosmetics, which I have sold off all my shares already. And my fifth business is a coaching and seminar business on social media marketing. So I do a coaching and seminar business on social media marketing. Okay, so this is me sharing the stage with JT Fox in front of 3,500 people at National Achievers Congress 2016. So JT Fox is known as the world's #1 wealth coach. Yeah? So my mission is to electrify the world to fulfill my life's purpose. So this is me with Aaron Santoni, the world's #1 sales coach. And my personal development journey started since I was 9 years old. So in primary school, I started reading books like Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki, Subconscious Mind, Business, Spirituality, etc. And I started to look for a lot of mentors since young to guide me in this journey in entrepreneurship. So so this is me with Minister Ng Chee Meng. He's the Minister for Education Schools, and he was also the former Chief of Defence Force. This is me with JT Fox, the world's #1 wealth coach. Okay, this is me with Mr. Lim Siong Guan. He was the private secretary to Prime Minister Lee Kuan Yew. After he was the chairman of CPF board, then the head of Singapore Civil Service, then chairman of ACRA and IRAS, chairman of EDB, and group president of GIC. So he managed billions of dollars in sovereign funds. This is me with Lane Markovich from Shopify. This is me with Joel Bauer, the mentor of mentors. He's endorsed by Tony Robbins, Mark Victor Hansen, Peng Joon, Bill Clinton, and many other top speakers in the world. This is me with Mr. Mason Tan, Carl's Jr. franchisee. This is me with Ilona Garcia, Filipino celebrity, 2.1 million followers on Instagram. This is me with Derek Gill, world-renowned digital entrepreneur. This is me with real estate coach from America, Doug Clark. Okay, this guy is the World Memory Championship co-founder, and he's also an English chess grandmaster.
This Tetsuya Inamura, he made 2 billion yen in 9 years. Okay, so this is my team Apollo. Uh, this is my certificate in Facebook marketing. Okay, this is a little bit about my family. My mom is an entrepreneur herself, so this is her winning the Outstanding Entrepreneur Award. My brother used to be a Buddhist monk in Thailand. Okay, right now he's not in Thailand anymore. But my sister right now is still a Catholic nun in Spain for about 2 years now. It's just me with two pretty girls, Lissik and Hey Joyce Tan. This is me in Spain. This is me in Gibraltar. This is me with Nicolette and Joyce. Nicolette and Sarah. This is me in Real Madrid, Spain, and this is me with my sister in Cinque Terre, Italy. So this is my Facebook page with about 13,000 followers. Okay, this is my YouTube channel, and these are my books. Okay, so the first book I wrote was this book called The Illusion of Right and Wrong. I wrote this book when I was 18 years old. After I wrote this book called How to Use Facebook to Promote Your Business, and after that, this book called The Apollo Factor. Okay, so I've done courses on Udemy as well. So you get this my sales course on Udemy on share with you how to get clients. Okay, now so if you click this tab and go to the testimonial section, you'll see all the testimonials of all the people that I've coached. Okay, so the first few videos are made with other trainers like Sean Xia, the CEO of Value Investing College, Dr. Patrick Liu, who listed 3 companies in 3 different stock exchanges. One of them is a $12.6 billion company in New York Stock Exchange. And then Kaden Chang, entrepreneur, speaker, author, and value investor. Kevin Chuck, Mr. Singapore. Andrew Tan, e-commerce expert. Okay, now over here are all the people that I've trained. I've trained Terrence, who's a financial doctor, who's actually an insurance agent, but we rebranded him to a financial doctor. Clinton Zheng, Joshua Chong, Ozan, who owns a digital marketing agency owner. Because I coach them on social media marketing, and all of them pay at least $250 per hour. Either that or they paid like 1980, $1,980 for a 2 day seminar. So after every seminar, I always take their video testimonials, so you can see all from even people from Australia, people who are in the army, people who are network marketers. I rebranded her as a health and wellness consultant, cafe owners, cordyceps. You can see all the testimonials. Okay, consultant, sales, etc. Terrence, teacher, serial entrepreneur, Hwa Chong student, Ngee Ann Polytechnic, Dave. Yeah, so many. All right. Okay. Yeah. Then this guy who wants to be a speaker. Okay, Kaloy, Molina, LaCroix, and then yeah. So if you're interested to learn how to be a speaker, coach, or consultant, just click the link to own the course today, and straight away you'll be able to learn how to be a speaker, coach, or consultant.